come together to remember those who have passed on.
I shouldn't be here. The odds were all against me.
Lives lost, remember, and survivors honored as a local hospital marks a grim milestone in the fight against COVID-19. That memorial marks 1 million Americans in the last 2 years killed by COVID. Behind each of those deaths is a story, a life, and a family forever changed.
News specialist Ashley Moser joins us live right now to explain how a Utah hospital is remembering those who we've lost. Ashley?
Well, guys, we all know someone who's been impacted by this virus. So many families impacted by this. It's taken so many lives in the past 2 years. Now, the staff at Timpanogos Regional Hospital wanted to honor those lives lost, but they also wanted to honor those caregivers, those family members who put everything on the line to make sure that these family members who've gotten this virus in the past 2 years was taken care of. And tonight, they held a very special ceremony.
We come together to remember those who have passed on.
The lawn of Timpanogos Regional Hospital,
A tragic milestone of 1 million American lives lost.
looks a lot different tonight. This area adorned with 3 colors: blue for healthcare heroes, green for survivors, and white for those who've passed on.
I was almost a white flag and really close, and it hit me hard.
Larry Barney says talking about his COVID journey isn't easy.
I didn't know it was that serious. I didn't know that it could take somebody of my age.
The 33-year-old father spent 5 months in the hospital with COVID pneumonia and pulmonary embolisms. Doctors told his wife he had a 5% chance of living.
And when he was intubated, I knew it was just not good.
It was months of excruciating pain, and tonight his fight was recognized.
Most days, all we could do was pray for a miracle.
Larry's story of survival, along with those who were killed by the virus, was remembered during a solemn ceremony. Over 6 million deaths worldwide, 1 million in the U.S., 4,761 in Utah.
Each death is an irreplaceable loss.
Every day they showed up and gave it their all.
Hospital officials also recognize those who helped care for the sick.
The number of hours that you must have spent pleading for their recovery.
Those in attendance were encouraged to place their own blue flag to honor the work done on this very campus.
And to show our respect for those who took care of us and helped us get through this.
Larry shares the same sentiment, saying his survival was only made possible by those who stayed by his side.
Hearing his little voice over and over, it just kept me going.
Can you blow kisses?
Now, those who attended tonight also had the opportunity to write a tribute, write down a memory and experience in the past 2 years on a piece of paper. Now, the hospital will take those pieces of paper and actually put them in a time capsule. So, guys, it'll be interesting to look decades, from now to see how this pandemic impacted us all.
Yeah, we'll all have memories of that, of how it affected family members and loved ones. Ashley, thanks.